Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Harlie Rogers and today we are doing a video called Face Surgery with Makeup. Now I got this idea from Harlie Grimmond. She's a big YouTuber. If you haven't heard of her, go check her out because she's so good. And oh god, and I love her. This basically just shows you the power. It's basically like another power of makeup video. It's just a sort of fun video. I'm in no way trying to say that makeup, like you need makeup to make yourself look beautiful, and I'm not trying to promote actual surgery at all. I'm just doing this for fun, so that's it. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So to start off, so we're going to start off with the brows. I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, and just with a small little angle brush we're going to fill in the brows. Now to give the illusion that you've had some sort of Botox put here, we're going to raise the eyebrows upwards like so. I mean, my eyebrows kind of go up in that shape anyway, but we're going to just make the arch a lot higher just to give the illusion that we've had some work done in our forehead. We're going to fill those brows in. Before I zoom you guys in halfway doing my brow, because you literally couldn't see anything what I was doing at all, so well done Harlie for that amazing, perfect body filming quality. Yes, that's the word. So next I'm just going to carve out my brows using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, and then I'm just going to cover my whole lid with it as well. Then just going in with my MAC contour palette and just using the white shade, I'm just going to set that concealer down. Okay, maybe that isn't the best to use. It's not very good for it. So I'm going in with my Collection pressed powder in the shade Candlelight, and I'm just going to use that instead. That's better. So the next thing we're going to do is the eyeliner. What this will do, this is going to open up the eyes even more. So I'm just going to do a simple winged eyeliner look and try not to fuck it up, because I probably will, because it's eyeliner. It's so difficult. Now that the eyeliner's done, as you can see I've done quite high up wings just to open up the eyes a lot more. I'm then going to just apply some black eyeliner into my top waterline. Prepare yourself because this is going to look weird as I do it, but you know. Oh, would you look at that? That's a joke. Now I have to wait for that to dry so I can use a spoolie to scratch it off. Life hacks. Then on the bottom waterline, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, right here, running out. And I'm going to put this in my bottom waterline. This is going to open up the eyes even more. That really has opened up the eyes. God, I look a mess right now. Oh my god. Okay, I've probably put too much in my waterline. Oh, that looks weird. And then we're just going to scratch this off. And it's gone. Then for mascara on my top lashes, I'm using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. And I'm just going to apply this to my top lashes. Then off camera I'm just going to apply some lashes here. There's just some nice little fluffy wispy lashes. So the lashes are on, which means we can move on to foundation. I'm going in with the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation in the shade Creamy Natural. And I'm just going to apply this onto the back of my hand. and then just go into town on my face. I'm then just going to conceal using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer once again. And this is going to give the illusion of brighter eyes. I will get rid of the dark circles as well. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to cream contour, which is always fun. So using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, we are just going to do a cream contour. Some of the product out of the tube, to lightly squeeze it because I don't want to get too much out. Like that, we're going to do the cheekbones, the forehead, my nose, and what else? My jawline slightly. And with this flat stippling brush, we are going to just start off blending this upwards into the cheekbones. This will give the illusion that we've had our cheekbones done and raised higher. Probably put a little bit too much on, but you know. There we go. If you use a beauty blender and just pat on it, then it makes it look a lot more subtle. Then we're going to go in with the nose. I might put a bit more concealer as well on my nose in one moment. Put some down the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to blend out the forehead and my jawline. So now that the cream contouring is done, I'm going in with my Collection pressed powder in the shade Candlelight once again that I used on my lids. And we're just going to apply it all over my face. So now that my face is all nice and matte and the cream contour is all set, I'm going in with the Revolution bronzing palette and contour palette, sorry, and I'm taking this shade right here to do some contouring. Again, just brushing it into the cheekbone, just applying it right here, not any further, not any lower. Well, we'll do some baking afterwards because I do tend to make it go a bit too low, but just blending it in. And same with this cheekbone. You can still see the cream contour over the powder actually, which is great. So if you don't want to go with powdering, then that's up to you. But I genuinely like to. I like to have a strong contour and strong bronze. And then using a little small detailed brush, I'm going to take that same contour shade and contour the nose with the powder. Then with my MAC contour kit, I'm going to use these three bottom shades all together, and then just bronze up my cheekbones. Then using the white and banana shade here, we are going to do a light bakage. I just like to mix the two shades together. Please ignore my brush hitting my hoop. That hoop is flying. Jesus. I'm just going to quickly coat my bottom lashes off camera because it's really boring and who wants to see that. Then with the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder highlight in the shade 90, and with a fan brush we're just going to highlight the usual areas that you highlight. So your cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and your cupid's bow. This is going to once again, if you highlight the bridge of your nose, it's going to really accentuate the contour and the illusion that your nose is very thin. Mine is not thin, as you can see from a side angle. So if you just go down the bridge of the nose, you can see it really accentuates the contour that you've done. Then with my Tarte liquid lipstick in the shade Bestie, I'm just going to fill in my lips. Of course, overline the lips because this is going to give the illusion that you've had your lips done. There we go, the difference in the lip size is insane, but I love it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this fun sort of video just to give you an idea of the power of makeup and what it can do to the way you look. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a lovely, I can't even speak. I hope you have a lovely week and a lovely weekend. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
She does a lot of daydreaming, imagining herself as the extrovert that she is not. She goes over and over.